motivational session. This was this was really excellent, and I have learned many things, and I have inspired a lot to study. Even before this motivational session also, I used to think very much to study, but I was not at all interested, not at all excited to get good score, to get good marks, good result in final exams. But after this session, I can say that I can really get 10 points. From today onwards, I will do hard work. Not only me, even my classmates and all my friends who are present here, I am thinking that they can also do well. This session was really excited, and we have learned many moral values, human values, and how we should have to behave with others. Goal setting is really excellent. From today till today, I have changed many goals, but I didn't understand why I have changed many goals. But today I analyzed my goal, and I really set a real goal of my life, and what should I do further, and how should my parents get rid of me in the society.
So today we have attended to motivational speech by Purna and his 13. So they have our sons have teaching many things like fear breaking, scientific temper, self-confidence, and etc. etc. And I used to fear to talk on stage, okay? And I am inspired by Ranjit sir and his interaction. I am able to speak here because of his interaction with students. He built a self-confidence in us, in me. He built a self-confidence in me, and I learned how to respect our parents, teachers, and how to improve our knowledge and how to improve our memory power by some activities done by our sirs. And there are many things they teach us in this hour. They are very highly talented that they can teach in this much time many of knowledge, okay? And not only that, we should improve our speaking skills. Nowadays, they used to see just not our speaking skills, communication skills when you go to interviews. So, thank you, our principal sir and Ranjit sir and our faculty for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Sai Kiran. My ambition is to become an IAS officer. In this whole day, I learned about the scientific temper. For example, I learned something. I gain something from somebody. I have to think about what was the topic, what are the subtopics, how these topics are important in future, how these topics are useful to me, when these topics are useful, and also communication skills. I learned about communication skills. How should I speak? What is the body language? Where I should pause, where I should speak, and also a goal setting. What are my abilities in which I am in interest and in which subject and which activities I am doing well. I have to choose my goal in that activity when I am in perfect. And not only choosing the correct goal, we have to do our level best to achieve our goal. And also I learned speaking skills from Nandi sir. When he speaks, he used to attract everybody. And I learned fluency from Homo sir. He is speaking like a train, blood train. In Japan, the blood train goes a fast way, and sir speaking like a fraction of seconds. He is speaking in a 10 words. He is speaking in a fraction of seconds. I learned that fluency, the fast, the grip in the subject. So I learned from him today, and also body language from our Sri Ram sir. And body language, he also attacked me by his body language, and also the language. I learned language, the correct pronunciation, the language from Sudhakar sir. And also, what I'm trying to say that I learned basic communication skill from our sirs today. I'm not about talking about what they teach us, but how they are interactive with us. So I learned these things from this stars. And thank you for giving this opportunity, sir. And thank you to the beloved secretary, and also our RSO madam and principal sir to give this opportunity to us. And Sharda madam, deputy secretary of Caesar Palace. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
I am Vanilla. My father name is Prasad and my mother name is Shravani. I want to become a software engineer, and by morning session to evening session I learn about the self-discipline, communication skills, and conscious and subconscious, how to achieve our goals, and how to develop our India individually, and how to think in positive way or negative way, whether it is correct or wrong.
And my dear brothers and my dear children.
Good evening, madam.
Did you enjoy the program right from the morning?
Yes, madam.
What did you learn from the morning? Anyone can tell me?
Self.
Get up.
From morning to now onwards, we know that how to communicate with people, how to gain knowledge, how to keep our goals, and how to achieve for it, and how to respect our teachers and ma'ams, and how to be independent, how to set our goal, and our career must be in our hands.
And about communication skills and memory techniques should we memorize everything, and also about how to develop our country individually, and also about how to respect our teachers and for our parents, and what should we do for our parents that we are living from 6 years now.
ఉందా లేదా? ఉంది కానీ వెరీ బిజీ. సో ఈ గ్రూప్ లో షీ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మెంబర్. దట్స్ అవర్ లక్. అండ్ ఇంకా ఇప్పుడైనా ఏమో చెప్తారు.
Finally, in the whole section we have to know that what is the wrong and what is the right, and how our minds are thinking in the positive way and the negative way. That's it. And in the whole session we came to know that how to build our future and how to keep a goal in a nice way.